ever pondered over how artificial intelligence tools are reshaping our world? How they're gently nudging us into a future that was once only the domain of science fiction? Today, we dive into the fascinating realm of AI tools, comparing and contrasting diverse technologies that are shaping this brave new world. First, let's delve into the realm of machine learning tools. These tools, like TensorFlow and PyTorch, are designed to mimic human intelligence. TensorFlow, developed by Google Brain, is renowned for its flexible ecosystem. It allows developers to build and deploy machine learning models with relative ease. On the other hand, PyTorch, backed by Facebook's AI Research Lab, is celebrated for its simplicity and ease of use, especially for prototypes and research. However, while both tools offer a multitude of features, they cater to slightly different needs. TensorFlow's robustness makes it a perfect fit for production-ready models, while PyTorch's user-friendly interface is a boon for researchers and hobbyists wanting to test their ideas swiftly. Now let's shift our focus to AI language tools. OpenAI's GPT-3 and Google's BERT are two heavyweights in this category. GPT-3, with its ability to generate human-like text, is like a wordsmith in a box. It can draft emails, write articles, and even create poetry. On the flip side, Google's BERT, with its knack for understanding the context of words in search queries, is a bit like a digital Sherlock Holmes, deciphering the mysteries of human language. While both tools are trailblazers in their own right, they serve different purposes. GPT-3 is a generator, a creator of content, while BERT is an interpreter, designed to understand and respond to human queries. Lastly, we turn to AI voice assistants, with Amazon's Alexa and Apple's Siri being the frontrunners. Alexa, with its vast array of skills, is like a digital Swiss Army knife, ready to assist with everything from weather updates to smart home control. Siri, on the other hand, with its deep integration into Apple's ecosystem, is more of a personal assistant, ready to help with tasks and provide information at a moment's notice. While both are designed to make our lives easier, they do so in different ways. Alexa is more of a generalist, while Siri, with its Apple-centric approach, is a specialist. In summary, while AI tools like TensorFlow and PyTorch, GPT-3 and BERT, Alexa and Siri might appear similar on the surface, they each have their unique strengths and applications. TensorFlow and PyTorch are shaping the future of machine learning, each catering to a different type of user. GPT-3 and BERT are revolutionizing how we interact with language, each with a distinct approach to handling text. Alexa and Siri, meanwhile, are redefining our interaction with technology, each with a unique approach to assistance. So, as we venture further into this AI-driven future, it's not about which tool is superior. Instead, it's about understanding these tools and harnessing their strengths to build a smarter, more efficient world. The future is here, and it's powered by AI.